What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chris, aka The Capital Connect, and in today's video, I'm going over exactly why I quit trading Forex only. Stay plugged in, man. This is gonna be a good one. So before I get into this video, man, I do want to let you guys know that I have finally created a private Discord group. A lot of you guys asked if I had one or if I would make one, so I finally made one. The link is in the description below if you want to join. If you join it, cool. I'll see you in there. If not, then that's perfectly fine. We'll still interact and show love on YouTube. So for those of you that want to do that, like I said, the link is in the bio, but let's go ahead and get right into this video, man. Why did I quit trading Forex only? The key word in that sentence is only, guys. I'm not done completely with trading Forex. You know, I'm not abandoning Forex completely. However, I did decide to go ahead and add something else to my resume as far as what I trade. And that something else is futures. So from here on out, I'm going to be trading futures and Forex. Now, why did I come to this decision? Last week, you guys saw me make a video talking about how my Forex broker at the time, Sway Markets, ended up moving away from MT5 and created their own trading platform. Well, after about 2 days of using that new trading platform, I realized this ain't for me. Like, I don't like it whatsoever. The execution speed was slow to me. It was very confusing. Like, they had one-click trading, but it wasn't really one-click trading unless you clicked on a certain buy or sell button in a certain area of the chart. Like it was very confusing and I didn't like it whatsoever. I feel like the UI was very bad. Now I get that, you know, it's in the beginning stages. However, when it comes to my money, you know, the market isn't gonna not take my money because, oh, my new trading platform is in the beginning stages. So I was like, nah, I'm good on this, bro. I'm gonna find me a new broker. However, when I went to go find a new broker, I realized just how bad it is, you know, for us US citizens to find a good broker. Like, we're either stuck with an unregulated broker that may be shady, maybe not, but gives us the, you know, leverage that we want, or we got to go with the US regulated broker that, you know, maybe isn't as shady, but they give us very low leverage. So it's kind of like it's a double-edged sword, man. And it was like, bro, I don't like where we're at as far as Forex brokers goes. Like, I have yet to even choose a new broker yet. So I was like, I gotta add something else, man. So I decided to go with futures. Now, why did I decide to go with futures? So number one, I can trade futures at the same times that I would trade Forex, right? So it's no changes as far as, you know, when I can trade and when I can't trade, right? The same times I can trade Forex are the same times I can trade futures, right? The next thing I liked about futures is that there's no spreads, right? So in Forex, we got to worry about spreads, right? In futures, I don't got to worry about that, right? Where I enter is where I enter. I don't have to, you know what I'm saying, calculate the spread when I'm, you know, setting my take profit or my stop loss. Like, where I enter is where I enter, where I exit is where I exit. So I like the preciseness of futures, right? Something else that I liked about futures is that I can trade directly on TradingView, right? So I got my broker linked up with TradingView, and I can trade directly off of a TradingView chart, which is always a plus because I love TradingView's charting system. So that was just a no-brainer to me. The only thing I don't like about futures, bro, is that you got to pay for market data. And I found that out by like trying to place a trade in my demo account. And they talking about, oh, in order to place a trade in your demo account, you have to, you know, get a market data subscription. And I'm like, bro, a market data subscription, like, you got to pay monthly to get real-time market data. So if you go to TradingView and, you know, you pull up a futures chart, it's delayed by like a couple of minutes. And if you want the real-time data, you got to pay for that on a monthly basis. So that's the only thing I don't like, because it's like, bro, what are you talking about? Like, but the good news is like, since you had to pay for the data, everyone is trading, you know, on the same charts. Like, what I mean by that is, if you traded with different Forex brokers in the past, you would see that one broker would have one price, another broker would have another price, right? And it's like, it's not consistent at all. But in futures, it is consistent, like across the board. Everyone sees the same data. So I do believe that's a plus. Now, like I said earlier, man, I am not abandoning Forex, right? I do plan on trading Forex still. However, I just got to add futures, you know, to the list, because it's like, you know, you never know what can happen with a Forex broker. You know, I've seen that firsthand, you know, on multiple occasions, right? Nothing's happened to me personally, but I've seen some horror stories. And right now, like I said, I'm just not liking, you know, how the Forex broker situation is looking in the Forex community, right? I do plan on making a decision on who I'm gonna go with, you know, by the end of this week. But until then, I do plan on trading futures, right? And I plan on trading futures and Forex, you know, from here on out. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as choosing the days where I'm gonna trade futures or the days where I'm gonna trade Forex, but I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, man, I'm excited about this new journey. I hope you guys are excited about it too. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But that's all I got for this video, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone.